Namaskar. A lot of time we see people suffering from panic attacks. They get anxious. They smallest of incident and they start panicking. They fear that something drastic is going to happen, something wrong is going to happen. Their heart starts beating faster. They have palpitation. Their palms get wet. They feel dizzy, and sometimes they feel like throwing up. So these are all the signs of having panic attack. So why does panic attack happen? Because people think that whatever is happening or is going to happen will be for the worst. So this is the fear which leads to anxiety, and anxiety leads to panic. So the best way to deal with panic is to divert your attention. It is very easy to say that stay calm and think rationally, think positively and stay focused, stay positive. But the person who is suffering from the panic attack doesn't realizes that, and nothing goes in his head that time. So it's the responsibility of the person or the family member who's with them that time to stay calm themselves and try to divert their attention, try to talk to them about other things rather than giving them advice, or rather than telling them that this is not going to happen. So best way is to stay calm yourself, and and for the person who's suffering from anxiety is to look for the cure, look for the ways to handle their anxiety. And the best way to handle anxiety is to get a lot of physical exercises, get involved in yoga, practice yoga, and do other exercises, go for a walk, clear your head. And once you have done all these exercises and yoga and read, you start to stay calm, you start to think positively. So the best way is to get engaged in various activities. It is very difficult for a person to immediately feel normal, but there is always a way, there is always a hope to feel normal. So stay happy and God bless you.